Hey, it's David, and welcome back to Tech Through the Lens, where we take a look at the latest and greatest in all things camera. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the best camera on the market this year. Like always, we try to include products that could work for someone on a strict budget all the way up to experienced professionals. So whether you're looking for something cheap or looking for professional-grade camera equipment, we'll have an option for you on this list. So if you want to find out the best Canon camera, be sure to stay tuned. Coming in at number 5 is the Canon EOS 80D digital SLR camera body, which we felt was the best full-frame Canon camera. This cam offers outstanding functionality in various aspects, and it is ideal for photographers who are keen on broad-framed images, particularly for landscapes and capturing motions. If you are a full-frame lover but do not wish to move into the field of specialized cameras, you will find in the Canon EOS 80D digital SLR a perfect companion. At $1,199, this camera offers much more functionality than similar models on the market. Let's take a look at some of the features that make this Canon the best full-frame Canon camera. This Canon features Full HD 60p. This feature makes it easy to capture and share sharp, high-definition videos. Fast focus is provided by dual-pixel CMOS AF, while movie servo AF tracking helps maintain focus in the action. Composing is made easy thanks to the vari-angled touchscreen monitor. Meanwhile, creative filters and the video snapshot feature encourage experimentation. Both MOV and MP4 formats are supported for quick and simple sharing. Manual settings such as volume, recording, and image controls round up the collection of exceptional image features available. Another feature is the vari-angled touchscreen LCD. Videos and stills can be captured at a variety of angles, with up to 270 degrees of vertical rotation and 175 degrees horizontally. All of this thanks to the vari-angled touchscreen 3.0-inch Clearview LCD monitor 2. Intuitive touch panel operation, easy setting access, and Touch AF are delivered. Finally, because fine detail is displayed, this screen becomes the optimal canvas for composing and reviewing images. Smudge-resistant coating reduces fingerprints and maintains a clear image display, even in bright light. Another feature is the Digic 6 image processor. This feature provides optimal image quality and processing speed. Highlight sensitivity allows for high resolution with less noise when shooting in dark conditions at ISO 12800. One pro to this is its image quality. We particularly like the fact that the Canon EOS 80D digital SLR has been equipped with the latest technology, particularly in those concerning image quality and shooting performance. Rest assured that you will profit from the latest developments. Another pro is its connectivity settings. Not only can exposure settings be operated wirelessly, but that remote shots can also be made if you are using a compatible smartphone too, thanks to the free Canon Camera Connect app too. There are a few cons. One con is that the video is better than the photos. A few things we weren't too happy about, despite being reviewed as a great all-around camera. This Canon works best for videos than for shooting photographs. Also, connectivity does not always work 100% in all settings. Perhaps Bluetooth would be a better option. Coming in at the 4th place is the Canon EOS 6D Mark II digital SLR camera body, as it offers a lot more than just pretty pictures. We found it to be one of the best digital cameras on the market, and its price range is roughly under $2,000. This compact, fully featured DSLR appears on our top 5 Canon ranking for many reasons. Let's look into these features in further detail. One feature is the 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. Designed to create high-resolution and detailed images, this feature makes your camera capable of extreme sensitivities ranging from ISO 100 to ISO 40,000, expandable to L50 and H2 102,400. It is because of this sensor that the EOS 6D Mark II captures images of 6,240 by 4,160 pixels. This sensor is a wonderful resource that enables users to achieve near-professional quality with lighter equipment. Another feature is its optical viewfinder. This popular feature has become a must-have among photography fans that are looking to capture real-life shots with as much precision as possible. Equipped with a wide area 45-point all-cross type AF System 1, which allows you to track fast objects with precision all throughout the frame. In addition, this system provides a low luminance performance to EV-3, which makes it optimal for low light settings. Another feature is the fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF. Fresh live view shooting is made possible with this outstanding feature. Dual-pixel CMOS AF enables continuous automatic AF and AF tracking that enhances overall camera operation for sharp still images and swift precise focus transition in movies, even at full HD. Another great feature is the Digic 7 image processor. High image quality and fast operation is made available thanks to this Canon classic. The camera features a wide range of ISO 100 to 40,000 for still and videos, and it can help keep results sharp and detailed in almost any lighting situation. The EOS 6D Mark II can produce beautiful images even in settings where light is scarce. There's also the vari-angle touchscreen LCD. This feature makes the EOS 6D Mark II unique, as this is the first DSLR camera to have a vari-angle touchscreen 3.0-inch clear-view LCD 2 monitor for composing and reviewing photos and movies. Selecting and adjusting focus, menu, and fast control settings is simply done with a touch. There are many pros to this camera, the first being it has a built-in GPS. We like this because it automatically tags location and time adjustment. Another pro is the Bluetooth connectivity. Another feature we enjoyed a lot. By using the free Canon Camera Connect app too, your camera can be remotely controlled. This camera is not without its cons. There is the single slot. We weren't too happy with this issue, however. This camera comes equipped with only one memory card slot, which can be limiting when you do lots of shooting. Finding the best Canon camera may come as a huge challenge, particularly if you are trying to do so on a limited budget. Coming in third place, we found the Canon EOS Rebel SL2 digital SLR camera body to be the best budget Canon camera. Featuring some of the most innovative developments, such as the lenses and its connectivity features, this camera is one to like. Running at a little over $1,000, this camera features many of the most widely sought-after specs, plus Canon's prestige. It offers versatility and high-quality image by making use of the latest photography and video-making technology available on the market these days. These are some of this product's many features. One being the 24.2 MP CMOS APS-C sensor. This hardcore feature allows for deep image capturing. Thanks to its high resolution, the EOS Rebel T7i is able to shoot images of immense quality in a wider range of lighting situations. Just by simply turning the camera on, you can rest assured that the results will be stunning. Another great feature is the Digic 7 image processor. High image quality and fast operation can be achieved even in low light. When using high ISO settings, the image processing helps keep results sharp and detailed regardless of the lighting situation. It also features the vari-angle touchscreen LCD. This feature has become a sign of our times for great photo taking. This feature provides a touch-sensitive screen that can be ideal for composing and reviewing your photos. Two-finger touch gestures can be used for zooming or changing images after they have been taken, and menu and quick control settings can be accessed quickly and easily. The LCD monitor is constructed to reduce reflections and smudges. Another feature includes the Movie Electronic IS. This feature can make all the difference when it comes to movie quality. After all, a potentially amazing video can get seriously spoiled if the image is shaky. Equipped with compatible Canon lens, the EOS Rebel T7i camera utilizes this feature to minimize the blurring effect of camera shake. The pros to this camera include wider connectivity. We like the built-in Wi-Fi, which makes use of the latest Canon Camera Connect app too. Thanks to this feature, the camera can transfer photos and videos to and from compatible devices, upload directly to various web services, and more. Another pro is its Bluetooth 4 technology. You can also establish a direct Wi-Fi connection to use your phone as a viewfinder and check and download previously captured photos and videos. One con is that the colors have gone overboard. We don't like that the colors in this camera are oversaturated. The issue of color definition is very personal, but we would rather have more real-life colors. Just wanted to mention, all of the links to all of the products mentioned in the video will be in the description down below. These cameras do tend to go on sale, so be sure to check out those links for updated pricing on all of the products mentioned. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification to stay up to date with the latest in-camera gear as well as tips and tricks for photography and video. This list was created based on my personal experience with these products or very similar products as well as hours of research. With all of that out of the way, let's get into the video. Coming in at number 2 is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i EF-S 18-135 IS STM kit. We have ranked it as number 2 because it is a very versatile camera, suited for a variety of uses. Available for just over $1,000, this camera has been designed and equipped to meet the needs of the most demanding photo enthusiasts. Image quality provided by the camera's exceptional sensors, instant information, and its performance are some of the most highly valued assets. Here are some of the most interesting features of the EOS Rebel T7i EF-S. Its 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor is a great feature. This feature allows the EOS Rebel T7i camera to capture images of incredible depth and beauty. Because of its high resolution, the EOS Rebel T7i can capture high-quality pictures in a wider range of lighting situations. Just by turning the camera on, you can feel confident that the results will be amazing, regardless of whether you are going to keep the pics digitally or printed. It also offers an optical viewfinder. It is because of this feature that fast subjects can be accurately tracked and captured. Canon's high-precision AF system, high-quality bright prism, and intelligent viewfinder will allow you to see exactly what the lens sees. Instant information such as camera settings is provided thanks to this optical viewfinder. All of this is done with a limited chance of glare so you can easily see and quickly change settings on the spot, regardless of the shooting situation. Another great feature is its Digic 7 image processor. This is also an outstanding feature as it powers the Canon T7i EF-S 18-135 IS STM kit camera to produce high image quality, even in its reduced light settings. Results are kept sharp and detailed, as it features a vast range of ISO 100 to 40,000 for still and videos. This camera is as powerful as you could get when it comes to image quality. There are many pros to this camera, one including portability. We like this camera for a variety of reasons. First of all, we liked it because it is both lightweight and portable. Take the most advanced image technology, place it in a lightweight and compact design, and you will get a camera that enables top-class photography made possible in an easy way. It also features wide connectivity. We celebrated this equipment's multiple connectivity options too, offering both wireless and Bluetooth connectivity. The T7i EF can transfer images from compatible devices and upload directly. It's not without its cons though. One of the things that we didn't like about this camera is that even when picture is great, there is no 4K video. This has become one of the most popular assets these days, but is not included in this camera. Fifth on the list, we have the best overall DSLR camera, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. Its features include a Digic 6 Plus image processor, a time-lapse movie function, a customizable quick control screen, dual-pixel RAW, and a mirror vibration control system. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV has a natural sensitivity that ranges from iOS 100 to 32,000. It uses a Digic and a Digic Plus 6 processor, with the standard one being used for metering. This gives the Digic Plus 6 processor the freedom to handle the 41 cross-type sensors and its 61-point AF system. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV also uses Canon's dual-pixel AF technology. This means that the camera's sensor has phase detection points placed on top of the imaging sensor, promising a faster AF acquisition. It's a large 3.2-inch display boasts an excellent touchscreen with 1,620,000 dots of functionality. The camera has headphone ports, USB 3.0, and HDMI mini-out terminals. Because of this, you can connect almost any device to the camera and share the photos within minutes. As you'd expect from a DSLR camera, the Canon EOS 5D uses a large viewfinder with 100% coverage, as well as showing important shooting information at the bottom. Plus, this camera benefits from Canon's intelligent viewfinder technology. This allows users to see an electronic level, including grid lines and a myriad of grid lines and other important shooting info you'll want fed back to you when the camera is raised to your eye. Users can select what's displayed in the menu with the white balance, dual pixel RAW, image quality, digital lens optimizer, drive mode, and AF to select from. Photo results at ISO 800 appear noise-free, while the results in ISO 2000 are pretty impressive. While the photos might show some signs of noise, it has an organic appearance with no evidence of chroma noise. RAW files can be further manipulated in post-processing, giving photographers the opportunity to underexpose shots to preserve the highlight detail. This gives you the confidence to recover the lost shadow detail without your image quality being ruined by the noise. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is the best DSLR camera overall. Not only is it able to capture RAW and JPG photos, but the photo settings can be easily adjusted during the menu settings. Give this camera a look if you want to maximize the image quality of your photo shoots. The pros include an advanced AF system, 7 ps burst shooting, and an excellent sensor performance. The cons include limited 4K video options and its small ISO range. Alright, that's all for this video. If you're new to the channel and want to stay up to date with the latest and best in everything camera, photography, and filmmaking, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're interested in updated pricing on all of the products mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description down below. I hope you guys keep creating, and I will see you in the next video.